Have made a nice dress or an outfit, and the only problem you have is how to iron. In this video I'm going to show you how to iron your clothes. The first thing you are going to do is to press seam flat to blend stitches into the fabric. Eliminate pokers and smooth the stitching line. Open and gently grease seam using fingers, then iron the seam using the glide points of the iron, like that tip of the iron, the glide point along the seam line groove. Use clapper to force steam into the fabric, especially in hard to press fabrics. I'm not doing that here. So when doing your own, don't do what I did here. Just use a press cloth. You don't want your clothes to have any stain. Use a press cloth or iron guide, and that's all. And that's how to press your clothes to give it a nice good press. So at the end of the day, when you are done with pressing your clothes, you have a very good iron clothes or dress